Happy Monday, folks. Should I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending in which side of the country in the world you are. But I'm speaking from South Africa in Johannesburg. I want to show you the negative devastation, the negative effects of the floods that they've got propensity of always victimizing Durban. Every year, even in April, this coming April, it might happen again. Last year, March, April, floods. Small rain falling, floods. And now, well, many people always blame the global warming. Well, without further ado, let me show you
Durban, KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa, March 2nd, 2025.
This was March 2nd of March 2025. This is what happened in KwaZulu-Natal, in Durban. And it's still raining. The whole weekend, the rain has been falling in this province. This province is prone of many floods, year after year.
The South African Weather Service, or SAWS, has now upgraded the weather alert to level 5, warning of intensified downpours, strong winds, and potential hail. Several key roads have been flooded, with authorities urging motorists to exercise extreme caution. As many affected parts of KwaZulu-Natal, including
And the rain is still falling.
picked up the pieces following the recent heavy rains, disaster struck again this weekend. As more heavy downpours delivered further
Infrastructure and properties are damaged.
Although no fatalities were officially reported, the weekend still left many more people homeless.
The first flood earlier last week claimed about 11 lives and many displaced. I don't know this one, what's going to happen. God help us. Oh my word.
The Etequini municipality has activated emergency response teams to assist affected residents. Municipal spokesperson Gugu Sisilana said, disaster management and emergency services remain on high alert. Traffic in various parts of the KwaZulu-Natal ground to a halt, and many businesses could not operate after being flooded.
It's raining day and night.
Several roads became flooded, making driving difficult. The Wynberg Cemetery was also affected, with tombstones damaged.
You see, at the cemetery also, tombstones were damaged.
On top of this flooded car, doing nothing as the rain continued to fall. This happened just a few days after 6 people died in the heavy rain that struck Lemon Bay.
Bridges destroyed. the river banks overflowing. What can one do in this situation? What emergency preparedness can you do it? People must remain indoors waiting for the floods to swap them away, to wash them away. Always frightened. Imagine on torrential rains falling and you are told to remain indoors. That's frightening.
And other nearby urban south areas were the most affected places.
Lamontville was the worst affected area. And Etequini municipality is also very much affected.
As were residents to take necessary precautions as inclement weather persists across the province. The South African Weather Service, or SAWS, has issued a level 5 weather warning for severe thunderstorms, which is expected to affect the Umdoni, Etequini, Umkambatini, Brainkoyeni, and Umzumbe municipalities on Sunday. There is also a level 4 weather warning for parts of Utukela, Harigwala, Utu, Umzinyati, Amjuba, and Umkukunlovu. The city further said no reports of fatalities have been received in the Takwini in the aftermath yesterday's heavy rainfall. Motorists are urged to be on high alert as some roads in various parts of the city have been flooded, said the municipality.